Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna senze i-review yengoma entsha engiyibonile. I-album ekaBianca She's Better Known as uBIA. So ngibone ingoma lapha ne-feature show Tyler ICU wasemzansi. So I was shocked because bengithe ngibone album bengilindele ukuthi ngizwe album e-hip hop but manje ngiyalalela ingoma eningi ze-afrobeat but ke bese ngidiscover le ngoma yamapiano i-feature show album yase-America e-New York. So uTyler ICU uproduce i-album for uBIA. Abantu abaningi uBIA bazomazi ukuthi udume ngokuba ne-beef noCardi B. Akekho that big but ke ingoma I think izoba special because inamapiano. So uTyler ICU uproduce lapha nengoma ibizwa nge-Pray For You. So i-feature show album kaBIA ibuzwa iBianca ibiphuma ngomhla ka-10 October. So khona interview akayenzile lapha ku Big Breakfast le yase-America lapha i-breakfast show le enkulu kakhulu. I think i-sponsor show ayathi pop ikhona futhi naku Power FM. So umentionile lapho uthi no befuna ukutesta nje sound different. So udecide ukusebenza no producer abaningi ingoma eningi ze-afrobeat but sikhona nezinye ingoma eze-hip hop bese uba khona le ngoma eyi-1 oyiyona ine production yamapiano even though i-production yamapiano ayifana namapiano le-South Africa ithe uba ne-tempo ye-fast. So but ke amapiano azwakala lapha nina-yellow drum. So nje awasephi ukuthi ngibone uTyler ICU and angaze ngibone ukuthi epostile mhlampe ibreaka ngaleyo nto because uTyler ICU unengoma enkulu. So uzamile ukuthatha lo sound wayizama uyenza ipiano but still akusele le piano elithi lele hamba. So understand why ama-artists la overseas mayefeaturisha abantu bamapiano bafuna ukwenza leli piano engathi li-afrobeat because alizukulenda le-South Africa ngaleyo ndlela. But I think ingoma enalo element yepiano leli because uTyler ICU ipiano lakhe lithe ukuba ne-take different but leya ngoma leyana I feel like kuba mhlampe ibe yi-full piano le-South Africa mhlambe bizolenda nakubantu basemzansi but ke iflag lamapiano liphakamile li-feature album and uBIA ucomfortable ukuthi ekhulume ngayo ukuthi no there is a genre yamapiano e-South Africa. So awazephi ukuthi ngibone lokho ekusho interview engabuzwanga umuntu because ubekade ne-interview lapha ne-promote album yakhe and ukumentionele ukuthi no le ngoma actually babeyenze few years ago benoTyler ICU but ukuthi sedukifakile i-EP yakhe because abantu abaningi bebelinde ukuthi kule album yakhe uBIA uzodisa uCardi B because the time uCardi B dropped album there is a song laphana ibizwa nge-Pretty and Petty laphana udisa uBIA and uBIA waresponda ngokuthi veze icover le-album. So nami ngithe mangilalela album bekithi mhlawumbe ngizozwa ama-diss from uBIA to Cardi B but ke no just i-album linengoma eningi e-different and ingoma zakhona doesn't sound like i-album zi-different but ke khona ingoma yamapiano noTyler ICU laphana and uTyler ICU unevesi ke laphana because ujolo ukuproducer kuphela but lapha unevesi akalenzile le ngoma. So nawo khona kuma credits engoma and I think bayinoTyler ICU izomhambela ngama numbers uBIA even right now iperforma better than ezinye ingoma because inalo following yasemzansi. So nje leyo ngoma I'm sure abantu abaningi abayidiscover but makhamba isikhathi izovela na YouTube because obviously ipiano ise-America inomzansi. So yeah uBIA ke leyo. So thina sifisarisha kahle uTyler ICU because uBIA no I'm not a fan of music wakhe because udume ngokudisa abantu kuphela ngizazi ingoma zakhe like there's one song akayenza no J Cole ibizwa ngeLondon. Yeah ayimnandi na but it sound like ingoma kaJ Cole ngathi ufeaturishiwe but ingoma yakhe. So sibamba lapho Speaker Nawe sekhona on Twitter ithi Speaker Nawe, sikhona na YouTube Speaker Nawe, Facebook Speaker Nawe, sikhona TikTok Speaker Nawe, on Twitch you can search Speaker Nawe. We out.